The Austrian Cultural Forum in Warsaw is a place of vivid exchange and dialogue. With the interdisciplinary exhibition, Seeing Sounds, Feeling Freedom, we want to enlarge our platform role and bring together different kinds of audiences. We are convinced that new things start with unexpected encounters.
I'm the curator of the exhibition Seeing Sounds, Feeling Freedom. As you can see, we have 3 pieces in this exhibition, 2 works made by Maess Anand and a video installation made by Ruth and Leo Anderwald Grond. I decided intentionally to make a silent show because this is exhibition in the framework of the Warsaw Autumn Festival, and this is a contemporary musical festival.
The inspiration behind these works are works for orchestra, piano concerto and concerto for orchestra by Witolda Lutosławskiego. And I like in these works to analyze the form of harmony and use the technical synesthesia to create my drawings.
We contributed an older work to this exhibition. It's called Freedom is Fragments, and it was made in 2005. It is actually an autobiographical work that references a musical model.
This work is inspired by music, by Fred Frith's 2002 album Freedom in Fragments.
You can see it from all sides.
So it's like a campfire here in the room where you can go around and have a look to this video.
It is our great pleasure to present this extraordinary exhibition with such exceptional artists from Austria and Poland in the Austrian Cultural Forum in Warsaw.